How are you using AI to create new income opportunities and stay ahead? What's your strategy for capitalizing on AI to generate revenue and stay ahead? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over how to make money with AI and be ahead of the curve. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, the potential to make money with artificial intelligence is not just a trend, it's a revolution. As AI technology continues to evolve, it opens up a myriad of financial opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. In this video, we will explore how AI can be harnessed to create income streams, enhance productivity, and drive innovation. From automated trading systems to AI-driven marketing strategies, the possibilities are endless. We'll dive into real-world examples of how entrepreneurs and established companies are leveraging AI to boost their bottom lines. You'll learn about the tools and platforms that can help you get started, whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner. Our goal is to make this topic engaging and informative, ensuring you walk away with actionable insights. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the impact of AI on financial opportunities, but also how you can tap into this technology to achieve your financial goals. So, stay tuned as we uncover the exciting world of making money with AI. Understanding AI, the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn like humans. Its significance in modern technology cannot be overstated, as AI is transforming industries and enhancing everyday life. At its core, AI encompasses various techniques, with two prominent types being machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning allows systems to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming, while deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks to analyze vast amounts of data, mimicking the way the human brain operates. Real-world applications of AI are abundant and diverse. In healthcare, AI algorithms assist in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. In finance, AI-driven analytics help detect fraudulent transactions and optimize trading strategies. Retailers use AI for inventory management and personalized customer experiences, while autonomous vehicles rely on AI for navigation and safety. By understanding these fundamental concepts and applications, you can appreciate the transformative power of AI and its potential to reshape our world. Identifying AI opportunities. As artificial intelligence continues to gain traction, several industries are rapidly adopting AI technologies, creating lucrative opportunities for monetization. Sectors such as healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing are at the forefront of this AI revolution. In healthcare, for instance, AI is being used for predictive analytics and personalized medicine, while in finance, algorithms are optimizing trading and risk assessment. Potential business models that leverage AI for profit include subscription-based services, where companies offer AI tools and platforms to clients, and consulting services that help businesses integrate AI into their operations. Additionally, developing AI-driven products such as chatbots or recommendation systems can provide significant revenue streams. It's essential to encourage viewers to think creatively about how AI can be applied in their own fields. Whether you're in education, agriculture, or even entertainment, there are countless ways to harness AI to improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, or create innovative solutions. By identifying these opportunities, you can position yourself at the forefront of the AI-driven economy and unlock new avenues for financial success. Tools and platforms for AI monetization. To successfully monetize AI-driven business ventures, it's crucial to leverage the right tools and platforms. Some of the most essential AI tools include TensorFlow, PyTorch, and OpenAI's GPT. TensorFlow is an open source library that allows developers to build and train machine learning models, making it ideal for creating complex AI solutions. PyTorch, another popular framework, is known for its flexibility and ease of use, particularly in research and development settings. OpenAI's GPT, on the other hand, excels in natural language processing, enabling businesses to create chatbots, content generators, and more. In addition to these tools, various platforms support AI startups and projects. For instance, Google Cloud AI offers a suite of services that help businesses integrate AI into their operations, while Microsoft Azure provides robust tools for building and deploying AI applications. Platforms like Kaggle also foster collaboration and innovation by hosting competitions and datasets for data scientists and AI enthusiasts. By utilizing these tools and platforms, entrepreneurs can effectively develop and scale their AI solutions, paving the way for successful monetization in the ever-evolving AI landscape. Case studies: successful AI entrepreneurs. In the world of AI, numerous entrepreneurs have turned innovative ideas into profitable ventures. One notable example is Andrew Ng, co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera. Ng leveraged AI to revolutionize online education using machine learning algorithms to personalize learning experiences. His strategy focused on making high-quality education accessible, which led to significant profits and a lasting impact on the industry. Another inspiring case is UiPath, founded by Daniel Dines. This company specializes in robotic process automation, RPA, helping businesses automate repetitive tasks using AI. Dines identified a gap in the market for efficient automation solutions and built a platform that has transformed how companies operate. Their success can be attributed to a strong emphasis on user-friendly design and a commitment to continuous improvement. These case studies highlight the importance of identifying market needs and employing innovative strategies to meet them. By learning from these successful entrepreneurs, viewers can gain valuable insights into how to monetize AI in their own ventures. Whether through education, automation, or other applications, the potential for success in the AI space is vast and waiting to be explored. Future trends in AI and business. As we look ahead, several emerging trends in artificial intelligence are poised to shape future business opportunities. One significant innovation is the rise of generative AI, which enables machines to create content, from text to images and even music. This technology can open new revenue streams for businesses in creative industries, allowing for personalized marketing materials and unique product designs. Another trend is the integration of AI with the Internet of Things, IoT. As more devices become interconnected, AI can analyze vast amounts of data generated by these devices, leading to smarter decision-making and improved operational efficiency. This synergy can create opportunities in sectors like smart homes, healthcare, and manufacturing. Additionally, advancements in explainable AI are making it easier for businesses to understand and trust AI-driven decisions. This transparency can enhance customer confidence and lead to broader adoption of AI solutions across various industries. To capitalize on these trends, it's essential for viewers to stay informed about AI advancements. By keeping an eye on emerging technologies, entrepreneurs can position themselves to seize new opportunities and drive innovation in their respective fields. The future of AI in business is bright, and the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, we've explored the exciting world of making money with artificial intelligence. We discuss the fundamental concepts of AI, its various applications, and the industries that are rapidly adopting these technologies. We also highlighted essential tools and platforms that can help you develop AI-driven solutions, as well as inspiring case studies of successful entrepreneurs who have monetized AI effectively. As we look to the future, it's clear that staying ahead of the curve in AI is crucial for anyone looking to capitalize on emerging opportunities. The landscape is constantly evolving, and those who remain informed about the latest trends and innovations will be best positioned for success. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and business. Like this video to show your support and share it with others who might benefit from learning about AI monetization. Your engagement helps us create more informative content and fosters a community of like-minded individuals eager to explore the potential of AI. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care